Kimmer aha shiv. In Gaelic, we have polite way of speaking to people and informal way of speaking to people. So if you meet somebody for the first time, and especially if this person is older than you, you say Kimmer aha shiv. Kimmer aha shiv. Okay, so shiv is polite. So next one is Kimmer ahau. So Kimmer ahau. U is informal. You talk like that to your friends or people you know well, or if it's a child. Kimmer ahau. Kimmer ahau. That's good. So shiv, that's formal you. Shiv, formal or plural you. And u, that's informal you. Okay? So next one is me. That is I. Okay? I. Me. Easy enough? To ask somebody their name, we say Je Antanim Ahosht. Je Antanim Ahosht. Je Antanim Ahosht. That is an informal one. Je Antanim Ahosht. So again, that's to friends or people you know well or children. Okay? Je Antanim Ahosht. Okay, next one. And this is the answer to this. Okay, you say Ismisha, and then you say your name. Okay, so Je Antanim Ahosht, Ismisha Carol, Ismisha Laura, Ismisha Victoria. Okay, to say thank you, you say Tahpa Leiv, Tahpa Leiv, okay? Tahpa Leiv, Tahpa Leiv. Okay, so Tahpa Leiv. You don't pronounce the H at the end of the first word, so this DH is not pronounced. BH is pronounced here is pronounced as the. Tahpa Leiv, Tahpa Leiv. Okay, that's an informal. That's a formal one. Tahpa Leiv, Tahpa Leiv is a formal one. So Tahpa Lat is an informal one. So Tahpa Lat. That is to your friends or people you know well. Tahpa Lat for thank you. Okay, and click. There we are. Then you say you're well, which we'll look at in a minute. And then you ask them how they are. So Kimmer aha shiphain. Kimmer aha shiphain. So Kimmer aha shiphain. So this, because obviously it would be quite awkward to say shiphain. They shortened it to shiphain. Shiphain. So this is actually p, and then this is hain. Hain. Shiphain. Shiphain. Kimmer aha shiphain. Okay. Kimmer aha shiphain. That's a formal one. Okay. So Kimmer aha uhain. Kimmer aha uhain. Okay. So how are you? Informal. Okay. There we are. So to answer the question Kimmer aha, we say ha gema. Ha gema. Ha gema. Okay. To say that you're very well, you say gleva, gleva, gleva. So this is v, gleva. So H appears here because it comes after gle. So some words change the next word, okay? And gle is one of those words. So the H is added after the first letter, and this is called aspiration or lenition, aspiration. So we will see some more examples a bit later. And it said gle va, very well, gle va. Okay. Matin va, matin va. Good morning, matin va. Okay, again, we see that H. here, matin va, matin va. So you don't pronounce TH, but you pronounce this as V, matin va. Okay, matin va. So next one is feskerma, feskerma. Good afternoon or evening. Feskerma, feskerma, feskerma. Okay. Words. And then aiche va. Lots of letters, not a lot of sounds. Aiche va. Aiche va. Okay. Aiche va. Right? This is an English word spelled in the Gaelic way, which happens from time to time. Cheery, in Harrison Lewis especially, they like this word a lot. Cheery, cheery. So that's basically English cheerio. Cheery.
I remember saying that and thinking it was just a shortened Cheerio. I didn't realise that it was actually a Gaelic word.
Well, it is actually an English word, but they like it, so they adapted it, just like hello as well. Otherwise, it would be very long. Machine that, okay. And then this is a formal one, machine lave. Machine lave. So it's either formal one or more than one person. So machine lave. Machine